A little bit, but that's all right. I gotta go. My fault. Sorry. All right, cart guy back here. So we bought this van for $1,000. We're gonna hook up my uncle with. I gotta put two new tires on it to match the 2 new tires on the back. But we got it for $1,000, and it's a pretty nice van. It just needs cleaned out. But that's not why we're here. We're gonna make a little video today. If you can see the big old 700cc back there, the Suzuki KINGQUAD, fuel injected, independent rear suspension. It was all cleaned up, and as you can see, I've been having fun. So this has got independent rear suspension, the 4-wheel drive works, differential lock works, and this was $100. This guy was going to junk this. It was all cleaned. It had been sitting in a barn forever. I'm going to get it cleaner now that it's mine. I was just power washing it for my buddy, but now it's mine. I'm going to go a little harder on it and wash it. The top plastic, I do have it. It's just not my possession. The only thing that was wrong with it was it needed fuel and a little bit of welding to the frame. It's a 700cc, and one of the valve cover bolts is stripped out, or it's just not wanting to go in, so we're going to fix that. It's not leaking real bad. I got it stuffed in there now, but it's not leaking generally too good either. And before he got the key, gave them enough time, he got all excited and he punched the ignition out. But he's still supposed to be giving me the key. But yeah, it looks pretty good. I welded it, so we don't have to worry or nothing. The front brakes do work, they just need bled. We got in there and we welded it up. As you can see, I'm going to replace all of that. We'll get all that replaced. So we do have to start it, because like I said, he punched it out like that. We can throw that in there for right now. It's got 1,122 miles on it. Does like 65, maybe 70 if you're going down a hill. It's got high, low, reverse, differential lock. The 4-wheel drive does work. I'm taking it up the hill. For some reason it didn't come back out there. Oh, now it's gonna, on the video, it's gonna quit working. For some reason now the 4-wheel drive won't come out. There. Probably just because it's sitting still. But he got it for $100, man. Saved it from going to the scrapyard, so that was a good deal. And right now we're going to take a little ride on it, get some footage of it. So we're going to go set this camera up. Alright, now we're recording. We can't ride too long, but I want to make a little video. I do got to get this van all done. I technically got a lot of work to do. Alright. Too bad he punched that out. Or at least give me the key. It also didn't idle when I got it. The TPS was adjusted right. I reset the idle. electronically, and then I screwed the cable out a little bit, and it fixed it so far. Throws mud like crazy. We'll show the four-wheel drive here. Four-wheel, baby. All right. Four-wheel drive, baby. Let's see what she can muster up.